Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Kart on the SNES. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. Use the D-pad to steer, A to accelerate, and B to brake or reverse. The Y button deploys your items. Each character has unique stats, so experiment to find your favorite. Mastering the drift and power slide is crucial for maintaining speed through turns. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to learn the tracks. Every course has hidden shortcuts and ideal racing lines that can shave seconds off your time. Pay attention to item boxes. A well-timed banana peel or red shell can turn the tide of a race. Practice your drifting to consistently achieve the mini-turbo boost, giving you a significant speed advantage. Ready to elevate your game? Advanced techniques like the hop, using the L or R buttons, can help you navigate tricky terrain or avoid hazards. The feather item allows for a special jump over gaps. Learn to use items defensively, like holding a banana peel behind you to block a red shell. Anticipating your opponent's moves is key to staying ahead and securing victory. To truly dominate Super Mario Kart, always select the optimal character and kart for each specific track. Some characters excel in speed, others in handling. Consistent practice is your best friend for improving reaction time and precision on the track. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep racing, keep practicing, and you'll be a Super Mario Kart champion in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.